Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 12. This is Section 3.6, problem number 12. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 7/4. Now, notice with this, the numerator is larger than the denominator. This is what you call an improper fraction, so I expect the answer to be bigger than 1. In fact, if it was 8/4, it would reduce to 2, so it would be almost 2, just to keep that in mind. Now, as I had mentioned in all the previous problems, if you have the use of a calculator, you can get the answer very easily by just doing the numerator divided by the denominator equals, and the calculator gives you the answer right away. Now, if you don't have a calculator, what you do is you set up a division. The denominator goes in front of the division symbol, and the numerator goes under the division symbol, like that. 4 divides into 7. Now, with most of these decimals, it didn't really go in. We'd have to add zeros right away. But because this is what we call an improper fraction, numerator is larger than the denominator, 4 will divide into 7, actually. 4 goes in once. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it did not go in evenly. So that's all right. Write the 7 as a 7.0 and bring that 0 straight down next to the 3. It becomes a 30. And the decimal that we wrote has to go straight up into the answer on the top. So 4 will divide into 30. It'll go in 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. So it still didn't go in evenly. That's okay. I can keep adding zeros and pulling them down for as long as I need to. So I've added another 0. I'll pull it down next to the 2, making it a 20. Now 4 will divide into 20 evenly. It'll go in 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Now I have 20 minus 20, which is 0, so it went in evenly. So my answer is 1.75. The decimal equivalent of 7/4 is 1.75.